Welcome back again to another video. So I'm going to take you through on how I made this braiding pattern for my crochet hairstyle. Welcome back again to another video. My name is Yana Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share it to your friends and to your family, and I will truly appreciate it. I'm not going to do like a talk through video because I feel like this is like a self-explanatory tutorial. So I'm not going to do like a talk through. I will let you guys watch the video, and I'm hoping that you're going to find it helpful. And if you will, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so this is the part 1 of the video where I showed how I made this braiding pattern. So stick around for the part 2, and I'm going to take you through the process of how I install the afro hair.
Can I tell you what I loved about you? All the reasons to make it hard without you. Hard without you. Because back then, if I could do it again, would've make it less, so I wouldn't lose you. I wouldn't lose you. 'Cause you were gone too soon, and my only rescue to get lost in the memories. I cannot believe that you left me here now. 'Cause you're not for me to keep, and I hope that you hear me when I talk to you. Trust me, there's a lot of things that I wish you knew. 'Cause you tell me exactly what I should do. Wouldn't be questioning my every move. All I do in me is for you. You, you. All I do in me is for you. You. All I do in me is for you. Can we rewind, go back to the old nights where I would lay in bed right next to you, right next to you. 'Cause you were gone too soon, and my only rescue is to get lost in the memories. You'd always keep me safe, treat me like the best. Now there's really nothing left, and I hope that you hear me when I talk to you. Trust me, there's a lot of things that I wish you knew. 'Cause you tell me exactly what I should do. Wouldn't be questioning my every move. All I do in me is for you. You. All I do in me is for you. You. All I do in me is for I didn't even say goodbye, but I trust you'll be by my side until the day I die, and we're both in the sky. All I do in me is for you. You. All I do in me is for you. You. All I do in me is for you. All I do in me is for you. All I do in me is for you. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Fast, slow, why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High, low, shouldn't be this stock broke. Shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me. Snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward? Bust down that door, playing all my cards now. 'Cause I've been
'cause I don't know if the last time will be tonight. I knew that we were always bound to say goodbye. I guess I hold on longer than I realize. Even if when the seasons change, letting it go still don't feel right. On to a new phase and your voice starts to fade, but my heart's still beating the same. When all that's left of me frozen in memory, will you still call for my name? Will you still call for my name? Will you call for my name? All we have are the days left behind. Will you still call for my name? There's one or two ways I can't see this going. Both involve you walking out my life. I'm always making up these never-ending stories. Will you still call for my name? Will you call for my name? Will you call for my name? All we have are the days left behind. Will you still call for my name? Onto a new phase and your voice starts to fade. My heart's still beating the same.